Start this segment with an interesting topic: adjective. So what do you understand by an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun such as a person, place, thing, or an idea. An adjective usually comes before a noun, like a blue pen, a big book, a red apple. Some sentences may have multiple adjectives. Now there are different types of adjectives. They come in all sorts, such as in colors, size, shape, taste, weather, texture, time, and many more. There are different types of colors which can be used to describe a noun, such as red, blue, green, yellow, white, black, brown, and many others. Now, if you take an instance of size, you can also use it as a describing word, such as big, small, large, medium, tiny, huge, tall, and other describing words. Let's take a case of a shape, such as round, oval, triangle, square, rectangle, flat, curved. You can use such words as a describing word. Let's take the case of taste, such as sweet, bitter, sour, spicy, bland, and savory. Let's take the case of weather, such as clear weather, dry, foggy, rainy, hot, cold, and many other describing words. Let's take the cases of texture, such as hard, smooth, soft, slippery, glossy, silky, and many other textures. You can also use words with time, such as an old man, a young boy, slow, swift, daily, annual, such words. Now you can also use sounds such as faint, silent, quiet, mute, noisy, shrill, loud, and many other sounds. Now let's look into a few examples. Mr. Musa lives in a big, beautiful house. Number 2. Noora is wearing a white silk dress. Number 3. I love to eat ripe, red apples. Number 4. The teacher sat on a big velvet chair. Now please note that the red words are the adjectives. Now, can you frame a sentence using the available adjectives? We have two pictures here, Ali and a blue plane. Now, we shall construct a sentence saying, Ali got a blue plane for his birthday. Let's look into the second picture. Linda wore a pink dress. You can see two objects here, a green book and a table. The green book is on the table. Hot and creamy soup. This hot and creamy soup is delicious. You can see a picture of a little dog. This little dog is a puppy. Old house. My house is very old. Well done, students. You have finished your topic on adjectives. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you later with another topic. Goodbye for now. If you found this video useful, please like, share your comments and subscribe to my channel.